Ah, oh, that's hot.
Shit.
That's hot.
Again.
Hey, people. Gary here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we'll continue on our process of using a $25 all-in-one digital business and promoting it on My Lead Gen Secrets. Here's the thing, guys. I just wanted to do this to show you guys something. Something amazing happened yesterday, right? I know yesterday was supposed to be the last episode, but I just wanted to show this real quick because you see this turned from 4 to 6. Let's refresh it. I can show you guys. 6. That's right. I got 2 sales yesterday. 2.
Nice.
I got 2 sales yesterday. Out of nowhere. And honestly, I wasn't prepared for it, and it kind of shocked me, and I just felt like I need to tell you guys, man. So that's right, I got 5 people in the system, which is up to $600 per month, guys. Now they can pay a couple bills right there. $600 a month can pay a couple bills at least. But you see what I'm saying here. I had it for 30 days, guys, with My Lead Gen Secrets, and I'm getting it up to $600 per month. So that's why I'm trying to show you guys to go ahead and get in. I know, well, go ahead and get in. It's $600 per month minus the $150 that I spend on it. So it's $450 a month per profit. And let me tell you something, that is enough to pay a couple of bills. Even a major bill. Like say your like a car note or something. Sorry for that beep. But yeah. I got 2 more sales, and it kinda stretching me out. I'm trying to be careful on this page here because you know I got names and stuff of the people that bought it. I don't really want to show that to you guys. You know, appreciate their privacy and so on and so forth. So I'm trying to be careful, but this is what I'm trying to show you guys. This thing works, man. The thing makes money quick. I got 5 people in the system in 30 days, in a month. 5 people. So what that equals, let me show you guys. Hold up. I got 5 people in the system, right? That's not only 74, 5 people in the system in 3 days. That's not only 74. That's somewhere between 74 and 149. 5 people in the system. That's pretty good, guys. And we're gonna keep on posting. We're gonna keep on doing it. Remember now, it's 80% commissions monthly. That means as long as they stay in the system, I make money off of it. So that's it. That's both. But it's $600 a month minus the $150 I pay for the system myself, and then that's $450. So we're gonna go and send that same email out. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna send the same email out that got us the 2 sales yesterday, and it was an old email I sent that might have been the one that got me the sales before. So we're gonna just do that again because that seemed to work. I don't know if it'll work again, but we're gonna try. So that's the email there. It's the one that says "Great Unlimited Income for Life." The one I made when I made that one. I forget which episode I made this email, but I just made it off of stuff I saw on this page here. So what up? So we're gonna send that. We're just gonna do this for all 3 accounts. Once again, I know it was supposed to end with the last episode, but I just wanted to update you. I got crazy results yesterday, and I was like, dog, man, I guess I gotta make another episode after that. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna send the same email here. This email, man, I was shocked. I got 2 more sales yesterday. That's crazy. So yeah, guys, it's working. It's slowly building up, as y'all can see. And this is all I'm doing every day. I'm just being diligent with doing this. Yeah, I did it. It didn't even get that many clicks, but it got the sales, so it doesn't even matter. And make sure you click on perfect timing. Perfect timing does, it sends the email around the time people check them. All right. So for example, you check your emails around 8 o'clock in the morning every day, they'll send an email around that time, so it end up on top of the list. Yeah, man, that's great. All right. So we're pretty much done with that. And I was just shocked to get 2 sales yesterday, guys. And I just wanted to show you that this works. I ultimately got, so over the course of a month, 1 sale every week. So basically 4 sales a month would get you to this. I, using my lead gen secrets, got 6 sales, but 1 person opt out. In a month. So my lead gen secrets is a very legitimate way to build this up, guys. That's all I want to tell you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.